Oh, money shot. Hey guys, welcome back. So we got the MN96 out today. Very good little truck out the box. I've got the stock wheels on today, super soft. And we've got a 260 motor in there. And we've got fully proportional steering with a 3-wire servo. Metal pinion and ring differential gears in there. Yep, I can't actually complain about this little truck out the box. Very capable indeed. Normally when filming this I use the rock pod and we get static shots because this is too big for me to one-handed steer. So I've taken an old steering link and made a makeshift little adapter so we can get some action shots. Let's hit the trail. And a steep drop here. Straight down. Bit of a tricky pass here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Back it up. Got a stick. We're gonna stop it. Straight over. Right, let's get this stick out. Have a look here. There we go, good as new. Plenty of power and torque in this setup. Get up all the hills. Gotta pick your line carefully with these little trucks. Caught another stick. So far I am very impressed. I'm going to find a nice bit of a spot, but yeah, the 260 motor seems to be a lot smoother than with my previous video with the C24, and it's very capable indeed. Ooh, good save. Let's try going back up there. Let's try that in reverse. Take a pretty tricky line in reverse. Oh. Right in the tree. Take a better line here. Here we go. Oh, money shot. Got myself another stick. If I was collecting sticks, or if you do collect sticks, this is the truck for you because it'll do the job for you. Oh, easy on reverse, eh? Quite a steep little incline here, muddy and wet. So stock tyres handling on very well. Oh, easy. I'm going to finish with a line I like to take when I bring my trucks up here. A thin technical bit here, around the bend of the tree then. Got a hill climb up the other side of the tree. Oh, lots of loose foliage there. So pick your line carefully. Oh, not a problem. And go up the incline. So there you have it, guys. The MN96. Not a lot really bad to say about this truck. Out the box, it's very capable indeed. That 260 motor and the electronics give more than enough power and torque. Get up the hills. Like I said, the one downside is I can't one-hand steer, so obviously I've made a little adapter. The springs are a bit soft, but there's a little mod you can do by putting a pen spring inside the shock, which will stiffen them up slightly. But yeah, out of the box, I mean, you're getting a fully proportional 3-wire servo, you're getting metal pinion and ring differential gears, so there's not a lot you actually have to do to this to go out and have fun. Upgrades I would make. I'd probably get some weights in the wheels, and I'd probably put some hobby grade electronics in it, and that would make this truck 10 times even better. Highly recommend. Awesome looking truck. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.